In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a KPI tracking list in ClickUp. We'll start right inside your ClickUp workspace by heading to the space where you want your KPIs to live. A space is your high-level container, so choose the one your team already uses for planning or reporting. If you're managing multiple teams, make sure you're in the correct space to keep access and organization clean. Next, create a new list. In ClickUp, a list is where your tasks and data actually live. You can add it within an existing folder or directly under the space. Give the list a clear name like KPI Tracker so everyone instantly understands its purpose. You don't need to overthink the layout yet. The template will take care of most of the structure. With your empty list open, click on Templates. You'll usually find this option when creating the list or in the Template Center from the toolbar. Templates save a lot of setup time and ensure consistency across your team. In the template search, type KPI. You'll see options designed specifically for tracking performance indicators. Look for a template that includes useful custom fields like targets, actuals, owners, and time periods. If your account has multiple versions, pick the one that fits your team's style and reporting cadence. Add the KPI template to your list. ClickUp will populate it with example tasks and fields. This gives you a ready-made structure for tracking. Let it apply the statuses and custom fields so you get progress indicators, number fields, and dates without building them from scratch. Now replace the sample tasks with your own. Rename or remove any placeholders and add your real KPIs. For example, instead of increase website traffic, use the exact metric your team measures, like monthly qualified leads or average resolution time. Keep naming consistent so reports are easy to scan. If the template includes custom fields you don't need, you can hide them. If you're missing one, adjust the existing fields rather than creating entirely new ones to maintain uniformity. Finally, input your KPI values to track status. Fill in targets, current actuals, owners, and timeframes. Keep units consistent, like percentages or dollars, and set a clear update cadence, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, so trends are meaningful. As you enter values, statuses, and progress indicators will update, giving you a quick read on what's on track and what needs attention. Use views like list or table for data entry, and switch to board if you want a visual status overview. That's it. You've built a KPI tracking list in ClickUp, customized it for your team, and started recording values so your performance status is always clear.